Yogurt. Why are you putting your fingers in your mouth? Birdies? Ollie, the yogurt is all over you. You have yogurt all over your face. And all over your neck. And your tummy. Ew, are you making a mess? Are you a funny guy? Are you a funny guy? Funny. Oh. Clap? You're clapping your hands? You had a really big snack. You had 2 tangerines and a yogurt. That was a big snack. Yeah. Oh, you have a big mouth. Is he in the mouth? Yours? More? More what? Food? For your mouth? Shall we go wash up? Should we go wash hands? And shall we wash your face? Yeah. How do we wash hands? Can you rub your hands together? Yeah, that's how we wash hands. But we need to get some soap. And we need some water to wash hands. Should we go to the bathroom and wash hands? No, I think we need the kitchen sink. Shall we go to the kitchen? Kitchen, yeah. Okay. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye to the phone. You will kiss? Oh.